All over the world, no beverage is more consumed by people than tea. Tea is the result of the efforts of humanity to achieve a perfect life. In many cultures spread over many regions of the world, tea is not just viewed as a pleasure, but also as a philosophy of life. In Indonesia, tea plays an important role in social relations among people. The most appropriate way hosts can treat their guests is to offer them a cup or a glass of tea. Besides this cultural use, tea is also able to profoundly enhance that which every human treasures and longs for, health. Numerous scientific studies have shown that the main ingredient of tea is a natural compound called catechin. This chemical is an antioxidant known for its ability to prevent cancer and protect the cells of the body from the severe damages caused by the aging process or even pollution. The catechin antioxidant can also decrease the levels of bad cholesterol in the blood and strengthen the body's immune system. Tea also contains substances that are beneficial to the human body, such as fluor and vitamins B1, B2, B3, C, E, and K. Tea has about 10 times more vitamin B2 than cereals or vegetables, and it has a higher quantity of vitamin C than apples, tomatoes, or lemons. Among the various brands of tea available on the market, the Kepala Jenggot brand, produced by the company Gunung Subur of Surakarta, is one of the best brands of tea sold publicly. All the advantages of drinking tea originate in the tea plant whose Latin name is Camellia sinensis. All the various kinds of tea come from this plant. The standard ingredients of the Kepala Jenggot tea brand produced by Gunung Subur come from selected tea plantations located 1,250 meters above sea level. This location is ideal for growing Camellia sinensis of the highest quality. At such heights, the tea plants grow at a slower rate, which increases the taste, aroma, and other aspects of the tea leaf. To obtain the best quality, only 3 newly sprouted leaves are plucked from the tea plant. To process the freshly harvested tea leaves in order to create a tasty and healthy beverage, the Gunung Subur company owns a processing factory located in the village of Jatan in the Surakarta region. At this factory, the tea leaves are processed in a modern way in order to obtain a high-quality tea product. GMP, or Good Manufacturing Practices, is one of the system of product standardization used by the Gunung Subur company in the production process. Cleanliness and hygiene are 2 of the absolute requirements needed to obtain a superior tea. Employees undergo a process of sterilization before entering the workplace. The equipment and the work uniforms are protected from external contamination. Besides GMP, the implementation of HACCP, or Hazard Analysis and Critical Control Point, ensures and guarantees food safety for the consumers. A high-quality tea is achieved by carefully choosing leaves which are then processed under strict procedures to ensure taste, quality, aroma, color, and other properties of the tea leaf. The quality of the product is closely supervised to ensure the safety of the consumer. This supervising is divided in 3 steps: physical, chemical, and biological analysis. Physical analysis is done by direct visual sifting and sorting out of damaged leaves and physical impurities. Chemical and biological analysis are performed at the laboratory of Gunung Subur. Chemical analysis will detect any chemical impurities in the product. Biological analysis ensures the removal of any microorganisms which could degrade the quality of the product or even jeopardize health. The detection of any biological contaminants is also ensured by routine medical examinations of all the employees. Once the tea leaves have been safely sorted, they are then processed to obtain the various tea flavors. Fragrant jasmine tea, the most popular variety in Indonesia, is one of the flagship products of Gunung Subur. The jasmine tea of the Gunung Subur Company is a traditional tea produced since 1950. The fragrant jasmine aroma of this tea comes from fresh natural jasmine flowers mixed with green tea leaves. The jasmine tea of Gunung Subur is widely known under the name of Kepala Jenggot. Another product of Gunung Subur is green tea. By using high-quality ingredients and tight quality control, green tea is processed by modern and hygienic machines. Until now, the green tea of the Gunung Subur Company, sold under the name of Kepala Jenggot, is the market leader in Indonesia in this category of products. The Kepala Jenggot brand of green tea is even known in the Middle East. In order to ensure the quality and consistency of the flavor of each tea product of Gunung Subur, they are regularly checked by experienced testers. The satisfaction of the consumer is also explicitly guaranteed by the Universal Standard of Quality Control Management ISO 9001 version 2000. The implementation of this system of quality management is accompanied by a dedicated commitment to customer satisfaction and the gradual and sustained introduction of innovations. Innovations aimed at the satisfaction of the consumer are indicated by the wide range of products introduced by the Gunung Subur Company. Besides the popular fragrant jasmine tea and the famous green tea known as the tea of health and beauty, Gunung Subur also produces various wonderful beverages and other specialized beverages. Lemon tea, tea with the unforgettable taste of lemon. Blackcurrant tea, tea flavored with fresh black currants. Black tea, a refreshing and enjoyable beverage. Ginger tea, warm, delicious, and beneficial. Jasmine tea, authentic jasmine aroma and fragrance. Gardu tea, created from chosen tea leaves and natural jasmine flowers. Ginger coffee, created from chosen coffee beans and healing ginger. Dyed coffee, strong, practical, and hygienic. Ginseng coffee, practical, delicious, and truly beneficial. Ginseng tea, a perfect and beneficial tea mixed with healing ginseng. The prestigious SNI Award 2007, given to the Gunung Subur Company, is a proof of the national recognition of the synergy which can be achieved by good corporate performance and a sustained commitment to product quality. To produce a high-quality health drink, we also need human resources of high quality. Sport is an activity practiced by the workers that helps to promote healthy and disciplined individuals.